Привет! Hello! My name is Marina and this is our lesson. Today we will continue to speak about possessive pronouns. Now I want to explain you better how to use it. For example, we have pronoun я. It's I am. In possessive, you have to use my, and as we told, it's mean мой. Мой. Masculine. Моя. Feminine. Моё. Neuter. Мои. Plural. So, мой. Masculine. Моя. Feminine. Моё. Neuter. And plural. Мои. Мой. Everyone, this is say O, because it's only one vowel. Other one, моя, моё, мои, because we have two vowels, and in the middle is not stressed, not accent, and the O became A, as we speak before, as I told you before. And so this is everything is my, translated in English. For example, мой телефон. My phone. My phone. Мой телефон. Моя, we have to use pronoun in feminine. For example, сестра. And so, my sister. Of course, we can't say мой сестра, because сестра is feminine, and we can't say моя телефон, because telephone is masculine. And so we have to use understand the gender of pronoun. The next time to choose the possessive pronoun. Мой телефон, моя сестра. Let's continue. Моё имя. Имя is name. Name. Мои деньги. Money. And so, this is мой телефон, моя сестра, моё имя, мои деньги. As I told you, I can't use моё деньги, because моё, I have to use the noun in neuter. Мои is plural, and I will use plural noun. So let's continue. You. Ты is a friend and not official, not plural, and so singular, not plural. You, ты, singular. For example, we have твой телефон. Let's try. Твоя, твои, твоё, твоё, твои. Everything is a. Твой, твоя, твоё, твои. This is your. For example, to say деньги, where we'll put, of course, here, because it's the same, like in my, your is the same. Твои, деньги. The имя, name, of course, we'll put here. Твое имя, your name, your money, your phone. Твоя сестра, your sister. Now let's continue with его. It's easy because, as you remember from the last lesson, we have only one version of его. He and his. Его, 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 его. So, телефон, его телефон. Его сестра. Его имя. Его деньги. And so, его is always его. As, ее, her, she or her. She, he, his, ее, she or her. So, ее, not here, ее, ее, ее. So, ее телефон, ее сестра, ее имя, ее деньги. As the same, we say телефон, ее, her phone, ее сестра, her sister, ее имя, her name, ее деньги, her money. We have also the neuter, его, like neuter always became его. So this is masculine and neuter. The мы, we, our, we'll say наш. Наш, наша, наше, наши. So, наш телефон. Our phone. Наша сестра. Our sister. Наше имя. Our name. Наши деньги. Our money. Now we have we is you, your, plural, and polit form. Ваш, ваше, ваше, ваши. So, ваш телефон. Your phone, plural. Ваша сестра. Your sister, always plural or polit. Ваше имя. Как ваше имя? What is your name? Как ваше имя? What is your name? Ваши деньги. Your money. And the last we have они, they, their. And so их is the third person, and as you remember is the same like он, она, они. Их, it will be always the same. Их телефон, their phone, их сестра, their sister, их имя, their name, их деньги, their money. And so I hope to be very clear with my explanation, right? If you want to know something more, please put the bell, put the like, and see you next time. Пока-пока.